How we doing, everyone? Quick update. Got the bed in. We're gonna do some camping here soon, but just to let you guys know, we're gonna put the van build on hold for a little bit, probably for a month, so I can save up some money to start doing some more renovation on this. I do need to get more insulation, so that's the next thing I'm gonna do. I think the next video we might do the hardwood flooring, but I'm not quite sure yet, so we'll just stay tuned to that here shortly and we'll check it out. How we doing, everyone? Today we're working on the subflooring. I really can't record because I'm at a private residence and they don't want to be on camera, but we just got the subfloor down. Now we're going to start working on the flooring. I might have him try and do some camera of me working, but we'll see. So some of this foam down on the subflooring to keep it from squeaking like this. Now it's good. Now we're going to wipe this down with rubbing alcohol. And then we're going to start laying out the flooring. I'm excited. We're going to get this flooring in today. And it's going to look good, guys. Okay, we got maybe 4 feet of the flooring done. Moving along. We'll be back. Okay, we got almost to the wheel wells done. This looks amazing. I'm going to show you guys in a second how we do it after my friend cuts a piece. We're staggering the joints using some nails. So we'll be back. I'll show you guys. Okay, so we're installing the flooring now. We're going to take this tongue groove. We're just going to slide it in like this. Oh, I like that pattern. Lift up a little bit. There we go. Make sure it's like that, and then we're gonna nail it. We'll start from this end. There's a couple nails in here to hold it. I'll do a couple nails over here. And that's it. We'll be back when it's done. Okay, we're in the van and look at the flooring. It sounds really nice. There's no movement. I mean, I am so excited. This is gonna be so cool, you guys. It's coming along. I cannot get over how good these floors look in the van. I'm gonna lay some more plastic down and try and put some more paneling under this. I could take this off, not a problem. I gotta get this thing built. I need to get rid of that seat. That seat's driving me nuts. It's so hard to get back and forth. I have to jump. Here, I'll show you. Okay, watch. This is what this seat. I hate this seat. This is what I have to do. I gotta make sure that I don't trample this curtain because I already did that and broke it. Oh, we got. Shoot, we gotta bring this stuff up front real quick. Hold on. Okay, look. I just gotta go like this. I'm in the front. Oh no, a car. We gotta get in the back. Ow. Oh, I hurt my leg.